I decided to make another one so you people can watch me finish this. That's awful nice of me, ain't it? Now I got my 2-ounce cloth on back here. I went ahead and did that. Now I'm going to put it on there. This is really pretty easy. But when you overlap the seams in that carbon fiber with this stuff, it really makes it lay down. Hey, and I also want to, I forgot this too. I want to thank you guys out there. A couple people out there actually donated to the Bomber Fund. And I want to tell you guys something. Every penny of that will go to good use. This is what I got left to buy. I'm just going to go over a few things with you. Wheels and tires. With the brakes, rims, tires, everything, $1,000. The exhaust cones, you know, the double wall stainless steel pipes that come out the back of my bypasses, $100 each. Tamp's giving me a deal on them since I'm buying 4. But they're going to be $100 each. About $4,000 worth of radio equipment. I need a roll of carbon fiber at $25 a yard. You see this. I still need a bunch of stuff. But we'll get there. We are not giving up on the Bomber. Trust me. But what we're going to do is me and Butch came up with this. Anyone that does donate, I'm going to have some t-shirts made up. And I'm going to go do that this week. They're going to say, I contributed, I donated to the B1B model project. And it's going to have a picture of a B1 on the front. I already kind of got a price on what it's going to cost, and it ain't going to cost that much to have t-shirts made. So anyone that donates $50 or more gets a t-shirt. And we're going to have a special spot roped off for press and people who's donated to the Bomber Fund for the test flight. And the barbecue grill is going to be going there. I got a buddy that owns kind of it's not really a meat packing plant, I'm going to say meat processing plant. And he's going to hook us up with some food for the party. So we'll have the barbecue grill going, keg of beer, and a t-shirt for anyone that donates $50 or more. Just remember that. We don't need much. Shoot, if everybody gave a little bit, we'd have this thing flying in no time. And just me and old Dad, this is just costing a little bit more than we thought. And we had a couple other buddies helping too. We couldn't have did this without all our friends. You know? And it really means a lot, and it just makes my drive even more. I want to tell you guys something. This past week I have been sick. I've still been trying to get out here in the shop. But that's just how it goes sometimes, I guess. But it's nice having this little chat with everyone. I like talking, as if y'all ain't noticed. But that's what we came up with for people who donate. We don't want you to think that your money's being spent frivolously, because it won't be. Every penny of it will go to good use. What I'm hoping to do is get my wheels and tires ordered. It might take 4 to 6 weeks, but I would really like to have this thing done by fall. Now we're going to put this piece on there. And we're also going to get a banner for anyone that sponsors us, and we're going to hang it on the wall and put their name on it. We just don't want you people to think we've been taking you for granted. We're going to give you a little recognition out of it. Maybe some magazine photos for everyone that helped. Get a big old group photo. What time we got? Another backhoe blade in there. And I need to cut where my flanges are. See the roof right there in front of me. Turn that edge a little. I'll let these set overnight. Bam, and I'll have bypass number 2 done. Only 2 more to go. Wait do you guys hear the sound of these P200s in these bypasses? It's going to be a sight to see. Just to see it run in this thing taxi will be worth the trip to Texas. But we're going to do more than that. We don't build hanger queens in the shop. Everything we build is here. You know, when I built that big old GB, everyone thought I was crazy. You know what they all said? That thing ain't gonna fly. I flew that thing hard for 3 years. That thing flew so good, I was amazed. There's some people out there that seen it fly too. Oh, he's not even watching this. There you go. Sorry about that. Just listening to me talk. Okay, here's that. Now I'll put 2 ounce on there. Oh, got to reinforce this edge. More resin on there. You guys see that? Same thing here, we're going to trim that edge. Run that down about a 1/4 inch back, but flat. I'm going to let these set about 4 hours, then I'm going to come in and trim the edges. Just when that cloth starts to get a little stiff. If you wait for that stuff to trim, set all the way up, man, you're in for a job. But if you do it when that cloth just gets a little rubbery, yeah, you can just trim it with a razor blade, and it goes real fast and easy. Boy, you let that stuff set all the way up, We're in for a job. So check the time here. Okay, folks, we're out of time. So, till next week, we will see you guys in the shop.